Alrighty guys, so pretty amazing that I haven't lost power in the tiny house, because normally what happens is if I was just running this off my solar, we'd have issues. So good thing I found this. Now I'm gonna go down to, actually I'm gonna go for this middle one this time. Actually, no, I don't know what that is. So this is a positive. They could have ran the negative down the middle, so we're not going to go there. And for positive, I will run a yellow wire, I guess. And the solder iron hasn't quit. It's still hot. So I gotta get some more solder right here, and I'm just gonna dab some get some more on there. Good thing I have the fans running, because there we go, that's better. Now I gotta kind of screw up the camera view here for a second, guys, because I need something to hold the wire down to the connection for me, so I can kind of use two hands. Is it gonna work for it? There we go. That caught. Just add a little bit on top. It's overkill, I think, but it's okay. That one's in. So now, do the negative. And I just got a little blue wire here for that. Now, the problem with this is they put the, I'm going to go out of this side because it looks like they got some of that resin on the other side, so it's going to be a bastard, I think. So we'll kind of be over here now. Gotta be super quick when it's red hot like that. Oops. Come on, you. Crap. Have to use this thing again. Pretty sure. Okay, let's try that again. I think it's there now. I think we're there now. Yep, she's there. So, I gotta shut the inverter off. Let that baby cool down. There we go. And there's the turbine. He kind of kicked out on it. There we go. So, not the greatest job in the world, guys, but we're just testing these out to see if they're actually working. So, be back in a bit when I check these out. Alrighty guys, I have the solar panel just above this meter in the window, and I put on those quick connect solder connections or solderless connections. So I'm just gonna hook up the wires. It says we're getting 12 volts. If I am reading that right. Okay. So that one works. I'll go ahead and grab the other solar panel that we just soldered up. And I put on the same connector on this one so we can quick connect. Whoops. A little bit of issues here. Alright. What's the camera look like? Okay. So, we'll hook up the positive there. So again, same reading on the meter. Sweet. So these solar panels work, and I'll have to put them to use some way. I'm not entirely sure the best way to go about doing that, but we'll figure it out. So we got a little bit of stuff done at the tiny house. I gotta charge this camera next because, yeah, not enough juice in there. I brought about 3 bottles of water with me, so unfortunately these have fluoride in them. Not good, but I gotta drink them. So, well, I'll hold out as long as I can anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna charge the camera, be back later.